Okay, here we are, Dean's Drywall Tips and Tricks. This is the part 2 of the ceiling repair from the water damage. And part 1 there, we did a skim coat of pre-bedding, and it's only been about 35-40 minutes ago, and look at this, it's hard as a rock. Dry, completely dry, okay? Now, I'm not going to sand, I don't see a need to sand this. I'm just going to give it a quick rub over, just in case there's any burrs, and I don't see any burrs. So here we go. We're going to hit it now with the first filler coat with the compound. The first coat I'm probably going to hit this way, and then the second coat I might even go sideways on it. Boy, I think I'm going to leave that just like that. Oop. Yeah, just going to leave that. There's just a little bit of a very thin wave right in the center where they both meet. You get that sometimes. If when you're going nice and wide, you got to have a little bit of a wave somewhere, but we'll hit that on the second coat. Nice and dry, less than 40 minutes. That's it. So here again, we'll put the blower on this, and I'd say 20 to 30 minutes. This first skim coat's going to be dry. We'll be able to come back and put a finish coat on it. Everything's looking pretty good here. I don't see